If Gimp is showing a file load error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your project open again. Whether the issue is caused by missing plugin paths, a corrupted profile, or an unsupported XCF version, these quick checks can usually get Gimp working properly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's restore the plugin paths in Gimp. Open Gimp, then go to Edit, then Preferences, then Folders, and select Plugins. Here, you want to make sure both the user plugin folder and the installation plugin folder are listed. These paths tell Gimp where to look for the tools and file handlers it needs when opening different formats. If one of them is missing, that can cause file load problems. If you don't see the correct folders, click Reset Plugin Folders. This will restore the default locations and can immediately fix loading issues caused by a broken path setting. Next, if the problem still continues, reset your Gimp profile. Sometimes the configuration files inside your user profile become corrupted, and that can stop Gimp from opening files properly. To do this, close Gimp completely first. Then go to your Gimp configuration folder on your computer. On many systems, this will be a folder named 2.10. Rename it to something like 2.10 Backup. By renaming it instead of deleting it, you keep a safe copy in case you need to restore anything later. Once that folder has been renamed, open Gimp again. Gimp will automatically create a brand new profile with fresh default settings. If the issue was caused by a bad preference file or a damaged configuration, this often fixes it right away. Now, if you're seeing an error that says unsupported XCF file version, then the problem may simply be that your version of Gimp is too old. XCF is Gimp's native file format, and newer versions can sometimes create files that older versions cannot open. In that case, the best solution is to update Gimp to the latest version available. After updating, try opening the file again. Most of the time, once you use the newest version, the compatibility issue disappears and the file opens normally. If the file still won't load, the next thing to check is whether the file itself is corrupted. A simple way to test this is to try opening another file of the same type. For example, if one XCF file fails but other XCF files open without any trouble, then the issue is probably with that one file, not with Gimp itself. That could mean the file was damaged, saved incorrectly, or created with a plugin or format your current setup does not support. If possible, try opening the file on another computer or with another version of Gimp to confirm whether the file is the problem. At this point, you've covered the 4 biggest causes of Gimp file load errors: broken plugin paths, a damaged profile, an outdated version, or a corrupted file. These fixes solve most loading problems without needing complicated troubleshooting. So if Gimp still can't open your file after trying each step, you'll know the issue is likely related to the file itself or a deeper installation problem. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Gimp tips, fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.